In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a drop-down style menu in a Canva website. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and select Website to open a website project. After the website editor opens, start by creating the navigation area at the top of your page. Click the text tool and type a menu title such as Menu, Services or About depending on your website layout. Next, create the items that will appear like a drop-down list. Add additional text elements under the main menu title and type the names of the sections you want visitors to open, such as Bio, Story or Contact. You can place these menu items close together and add shapes or background colors behind them to make them look like a grouped menu. Now link each menu item to the section or page you want it to open. Click on a text item and then select the link option from the toolbar. Choose the page or section of your website that the menu item should connect to. Repeat the same process for each menu option so every item links to the correct page or section. After adding the links, click the preview button to test your website. Try clicking each menu item to make sure it opens the correct section of the site. Although Canva does not have a built-in drop-down menu feature, this method creates a clean, clickable navigation menu that works in a similar way. That is how you create a drop-down style menu in a Canva website.